I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the link connection stable so hand data flows smoothly. Plug the link cable into a USB 3.0 port or enable AirLink on the same 5 GHz network. This reduces latency. Once done, make sure the Oculus PC app and Quest firmware are updated, and developer mode is enabled only if an app needs it. Then in the headset settings, turn on hand tracking and pick the tracking mode. This primes both devices to exchange hand pose data. Next, you'll configure the application layer so your hands control what you expect. Launch the VR app that supports OpenXR or native Quest hand tracking, and on the PC set the OpenXR runtime to Oculus so the app receives hand poses. Once connected, map gestures to game inputs and adjust hand scale and offset. This ensures reach and button collisions feel natural. If the app supports smoothing or prediction, tweak those settings to balance responsiveness against jitter. To finish, validate tracking in a simple test scene and make incremental adjustments. You'll want even, front-facing lighting and no strong backlight because the cameras rely on contrast. Once lighting is correct, check for USB or Wi-Fi interference and close other heavy apps. If you see jitter or dropped hands, restart the link service, toggle hand tracking off and on, and reboot the headset or PC if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: repair the headset and reselect the Oculus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.